The GEA Scholarship is a scholarship that is given every year by the Greenville Educators Association to several graduating seniors who are both worthy and in need of assistance. It can be given to any educational advancement to a 4-year or 2-year accredited college or university, or any acceptable educational program at a technical or a trade school. Every year, the members of the GEA work the high school sporting events by selling and taking tickets. The members take the money that they would have been paid and put it into the scholarship fund. Due to the pandemic, a limited number of fans have been allowed to sporting events. The result is that the school has not needed members of the GEA to work these events, thus we do not have the funds that normally would go into the scholarship. As a result, this year's senior class will lose out on several $1,000s of scholarship money. We are asking for your help to fund this scholarship. Every penny will go to graduating seniors at Greenville High School.